Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I actually have some big news I want to share with you today. A quick confession first. I haven't been as active on YouTube over the last year as I would have liked to be, and some of you have noticed that. I'm really sorry about that, but today I want to tell you why that is. In 2 months, my book is going to be coming out in bookstores and Amazon worldwide. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Braids, an instructional book with 50 different styles from the most popular TV shows, movies, and video games of today, and is available for pre-order already on Amazon. It's similar in content to what's here on my YouTube channel. You'll recognize some of the more popular tutorials I've done, but more than half of the book is never-before-seen styles from franchises like Rome or The White Princess, Final Fantasy, Pride and Prejudice, and much more. Each style comes with a full color photo of the finished look, detailed instructions to accomplish it, and images of each step to guide you along the way. The great thing about a book is you can also pack a lot more info into the text. So each style comes with like a historical tidbit about how hairstyling was done in the past, or behind the scenes information gotten from talking with show stylists like Game of Thrones and Vikings. Plus, like I try to do with my channel, I want as many people as possible to be able to realize the styling potential they have. So the book opens with a chapter on how to do basic braid types, as well as instructions for various hairstyling tools. And scattered throughout the book are a bunch of tips for adjusting the styles to fit your specific haircuts and skill level. The styles throughout the book range from easy beginner styles to more complex and advanced looks. And the looks are featured on a diversity of hair models, so no matter your hair type, your skill level, whatever your aesthetic is, hopefully you can find some styles in this book that speak to you the most and are something that you can totally take on and wear confidently. But wait, there's more! So I created this book with you guys in mind, both as a source of inspiration for the kind of people I want to be able to help out, as well as the community that has supported me and followed me for years now on YouTube. So to say thanks, I actually want to do a giveaway with this book. I'll be giving away 5 hardback copies of the book that are signed, and all you have to do to enter that giveaway is go to Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, share a post about what you're excited about in this book, and then add the hashtag #BadassBraids. Also, if you sign up to be a $5 or higher patron over on my Patreon page at patreon.com before April 3rd, you'll automatically get a free ebook copy of the book. And if you're a $10 or higher tier patron, then you will automatically get a free signed hardcover copy of the book. I've poured a lot of time and effort into this book, so I'm really hoping that you guys enjoy it. Thank you again for your patience while I've been working on it, and actually in a few days will be my 5th YouTube anniversary. And so just thank you in general for following me through these years and being supportive and helping me grow as a stylist. I'm really excited to show you what this book looks like, and I hope you enjoy it. Until then, as always, happy styling!